It's the greatest gear company on the planet, is what we like to say. Horsburgh is a custom gearbox manufacturer of power transmission. We sell torque, so anything that goes round and round that employs gearing, either enclosed or open gearing, we're involved. Horsburgh in the marketplace is synonymous with quality and doing what we say we're going to do. It's a reputation that has been built over 137 years. It's impeccable.
A product, a manufactured, custom manufactured product that crosses nearly all industries. Our historical focus has been in steel with the large drives, and then we've transitioned into mining.
Now we're in the maritime business, so we're producing, gear sets that go into the U.S. Navy. We're driving and producing gear sets that go into tugboats on the Mississippi River and Ohio rivers. We're close, we're responsive, we're always there. We answer our phones 24/7, and I like to say speed kills the competition. So anything that we do is focused on obviously driving that speed of response either on the front end or the back end of the business. Not only the U.S., but South America as well. We're doing business in Brazil, in Mexico, places that we've never really done business in the past. We've got our facility in Sudbury, Ontario, Canada, as well as here in the U.S. We're doing field service on customer sites, so we really want to drive customer intimacy. We want to really get closer to our customers, and by doing so, that drives obviously our brand into the marketplace deeper and wider.
We feel that we're nimble and flexible. And because we're application specific and we have no limitations, so to speak, on our production line, we're able to capture positions with a customer base because of our ability to reproduce an item that may not be made anymore. People may not think that that particular torque can be created or that design torque can be created in the envelope or the space that we have to work with. Well, that's where our design teams come into play. And the creativity that the guys have, and most importantly, the experience that they have. They've seen just about everything, so that they can refer back to all of our history and pull successful variables within that model to plug into a new model going forward. The time they put in, the feedback and collaboration required to consistently produce something different when you're working with thousandths of an inch, and the time it takes to make something custom.
The more you service a customer, the more you will earn their respect and you'll earn their business. And time is important. The time it takes to quote product, the time it takes to make product. And of course, quality is a given. It has to be right.
Their desire and commitment to a quality product, I think, really ensures that the product going out the door is what the customer truly expects.
We're introducing ourselves into new markets, new verticals, new customers, and that's really created the explosive growth that we've experienced over the past 5 years.